Hello and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making cheesy mashed potatoes. You're going to want to start off by boiling 9 potatoes for 10 minutes on the stove. I use a pressure cooker, so it takes me 5 minutes. You're going to need half a cup of grapeseed oil and some butter and wait for the butter to come to a melt. And then you're going to want to add 2 large chopped onions to your pot. Once the mixture is partially sauteed, you're going to want to add 2 pounds of ground beef to your pot. Now I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of my personal seasoning. For more information about that, check in my description down below, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cardamom pod, and I'm just mixing until thoroughly mixed. Now I'm just adding a handful of collard greens and I'm stirring. And then I just add 2 tablespoons of water, a little bit of herb and pepper seasoning, and also I add a little bit of garlic onion seasoning. Then I just add a little bit more water to make the mixture a little more moist. Then I just let it sit for 6 minutes. Now while we're waiting for that, we're just going to add a little bit of unsalted butter into a large bowl. Then we're going to peel the skin off of our boiled potatoes. Then just add all of the potatoes into the butter. Then you're just going to want to mash them all together. Then you're just going to want to add a pinch of salt and a handful of green onions into this mixture. You're also going to want to add 1 cup of milk. Now I'm just adding the meat mixture into a large baking tray and patting it evenly throughout the base of the tray. I add half of the potato mixture into the meat mixture and I kind of mix them together. Then I grab the rest of the potato mixture and pat it evenly on top. Now you're just going to want to add as much cheese as you'd like. I add a lot of cheese and evenly distribute it throughout my pan. Now I'm just adding a handful of cilantro on top of my cheese, and I bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And here you have it. It's really amazing. It really just melts in your mouth like all my other dishes. Honestly, you can have this as a side dish, preferably a side dish. I have it with either garlic bread, just chicken, rice. It's a really good comfort food. You could have it on its own. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below any other food you'd like me to make. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.